Congratulations! You're 3 minutes away from start using the Binary Profit System trading robot. I want to officially welcome you to our private group of Binary Profit System members. Now, after you saw the core of the system and how it works, there's only one question you're asking yourself now. How do I get started? Well, you're about to find out. Right now, I would like to talk you through the process of getting started, step by step, so you can start using the trading robot and making money as soon as possible. Our goal for new members is to make you $200,000 within 90 days or less. And what we ask from new members is when you hit somewhere around $10,000 in earnings, we would like you to take a few screenshots of your broker's account for us. We want to see how you're doing, and you will like having them too. And it's probably going to happen within a couple of days from now. You should reach $8,000 to $10,000 by this time next week by using our trading robot. The very first step, something you need to do right now, is to register for a new broker account and then fund your new account with at least $250. You'll register for your account using the form on this page, and just as soon as that happens, our trading robot takes over from there. You won't have to do anything else other than watch your account balance build up. A couple of important notes here. We work exclusively with the brokers you see here on this page. There are hundreds of brokers out there, and believe me, we've tried most of them. And that's why we've settled with these brokers. They're reliable, your money is safe, and when you request a withdrawal, it happens quick. They aren't playing around with your money. They've paid out millions of dollars in profits to us. We trust them with our money, and yes, when you fund your account with the $250 or whatever you start with, it's still your money. You can withdraw it at any time you want, but that is the minimum amount you'll need to keep your account active and to start making winning trades. Another thing, our trading robot is designed specially to work with these brokers. As soon as you open your new account on this page, our trading robot will be activated, and you're off to the races, headed toward the profit. Just as our robot programmed to work specially with these brokers, they're set up, customized, to work specially with our group and with you. After you open and fund your broker's account, you won't have to lift a finger. The trading robot will be automatically activated, and the profit will start rolling in. So, do it right away. Open and fund your trading account right now. After a day or two, your account balance will be way above where you're starting out, and you can withdraw the $250 and a couple of thousands more if you'd like. In the last video, we said free, and yes, being a part of our group is free, but you need to have at least $250 in your trading account to get the ball rolling. Do that right now. Register your account, fund your account, activate the trading robot, and congratulations! You're about to see your first profits coming in.